Cool little Zippo. Puerto Rico. Blackbeard. Oh, here's a little life hack, so I can make, I guess, another little short. So a lot of people have issues with evaporation and the kerosene that's in here. So all I do is I just take some beeswax. I kind of just, you know, don't go crazy, but also leave a little bit of residuals on there. Because what we're doing is creating more or less an improved seal. And all you have to do is light it. Well, I'm not editing it out for bloopers. Fuck that. There we go. Like I said, I haven't filled this up in like a month. So it would have been shitty if it didn't light. But yeah, works. I mean, it's not gonna last forever, but it lasts a lot longer than not doing it. Take it from me. So anyway, you light it for a little bit, warms up the wax, and it kind of makes that seal. That's it. Thanks for watching. I guess like and subscribe. Found this at a local gas station. Isn't that funny? I love Naruto. Let's see, where's Shikamaru? Right there. That's my favorite guy. I got this because it's funny. I do a lot of repairs and tagging and repairs with spray paint. And I thought that was neat. You've probably seen it too. Oh, there we go. Like I said, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe. Appreciate the support. Man, my grandfather gave me that. What do roosters symbolize?